What's up, everybody? RC Explosion Box Volume, what are we up to here? 43. Here's the lineup this month. Take a look there. Reorganized mine a little bit. Not a ton of packs, but there's some pretty decent ones. So, rearrange mine. I'm gonna start with the most recent one, 2022 Top Series 2. You got the short prints of Rodriguez, Bobby Witt, Torgelson, and then Cruz, Baz, and Strider. If anyone's interested, Filmington just did a video on the short prints. All right, let's see. I've not opened any of this. I haven't actually bought any cards in quite a while. Oliver Ortega, rookie. Got a die cut Pujols, gonna be in the home run derby. Chris Bubik, Romano, Rickwoody, and Calhoun. I actually kind of like what they did, given that scumbag Manfred is able to pick two people he wants in each league. So you got Cabrera and Pujols in it. This is a 2022 Bowman Retail. All right, Cabron Hayes, Randy Rosarina, Matt Manning, Colton Welker, Jose Ramirez, Albert Pujols, Jaron Duran, Rookie of the Year favorites, Darrell Lopez, Victor Labrada, Montero, first of Lenyon Sosa. What was this kid? 2016 free agent. All right. And then, however you pronounce that, Noel. When was this dude drafted? 2017 free agent. This dude's born in 2001. First guy was born in 2000. All right. Next, 2021 Bowman. Should be a hobby pack, yeah. Let's see if I can pull the auto out of this. Never have. Doesn't look like I did. Matt Chapman, Javier Baez, Whit Merrifield, Joe Adell, Nolan Gorman, top 100. Jared Kelly, first. Picked 47th overall. Oh, round 2? Yeah, round 2. Julio Rodriguez. All right. Let's put it aside. So that'll be taken with a prospect card. All right. 4 packs left. Next, I put the jumbo. We got Devers, Albies, Rodriguez. Wait, I'm sorry. Carlos Rodon. Unless I'm missing it. I don't know how many autographs are in these jumbo boxes. That's not gonna work. I don't think there's anything. All right, these are kind of Travis d'Arnaud, Yu Darvish, Adam Eaton, Oswaldo Arcia. Go through these papers. It's a Javier Baez rookie paper. Castellanos, Buck Farmer, Chromes, Tim Anderson. Kind of Forrest Wall, Seth Streich, however you pronounce that. Harold Ramirez.
All
Is that it for the chromes in this? I don't know. Keep going through these. Top 100, Aaron Sanchez. Here's, oh, did get an auto. I was wrong. Who's it gonna be? Sorry. Drew Ward. Never heard of this dude. Still cool. Born in '94. Third round in 2013. All right. Keep going. Steven Matz, Stratton, Lugo, Aaron Nola. Would that be a? Just stuck together. Oh, not actually stuck, but. Colin Moran, Justin Turner, Reddick, Seager, and Castillo. All right, 3 packs left. Got the Series 2, 19, and 18. Let's do the Series 2. Come on, let's find us a short print in this. Got the Acuna, Otani, and Gleyber. Saw the Yankees, but that is not Gleyber. Alex Claudio, Yachty, Joe Panic. Is that a black coming up? Justin Wilson, Giancarlo Stanton. I don't think that's actually, oh, it is. Number to 299. Scott Kazmir, Rays, Jose De Leon, Jose Barrios, and Jordan Montgomery Cup card. All right, no short print. Next, 2019 high number Lisa retail. Yeah. Got the Tatis, Guerrero, Riley, Alonso. Got a Guerrero out of one of these the other month. That's pretty sweet. Martin Maldonado, Bryce Harper, Ji-Man Choi. Here we go. Eloy. Pretty sure he's back and playing. Now and then of Taylor Clark, Kelvin Herrera, Zach Davies, Clayton Richard, and Victor Caratini. All right, last pack. Got the 18 retail. Soto, Otani, Acuna, and Torres. Yeah, man. Mark Reynolds, Nick Markakis, Valencia, Goldschmidt, Chipper Jones, Jackie. Just a basic insert, but they're kind of cool cards. Alfaro, Lance Lynn, and Brandon Mann. Alrighty, let's go through some of these. These aren't really hits, but I just like the way they look. Got the Jackie and the Gehrig. Got the Eloy. Got the numbered insert, Giancarlo. Prospect of Aaron Nola. Auto, this dude, Drew Ward. Javier Baez, paper rookie in the Julio Rodriguez. All right, hopefully there's some bangers out there this month for you guys. Good luck, everyone. Take it easy.